are teaching beings, and we all are trying to develop learners or people to be mindful of Allah. So we have to have the akhlaq to do that, you know. Um, but Alhamdulillah, I can also say that Allah opens up doors when you don't even think it's possible. Allah opens up situations where you don't even think there's even an option. I mean, where did I think this options were gonna come? Where did I think we had two options at a time when I possibly thought we had none? I was almost at the point of opening up a madrasa at my house. Um, so Alhamdulillah that we are there. But I also would say Jazakallah khair to everyone. I know everyone has a vested interest in seeing the madrasa succeed. I think it's more than just coming on a Saturday. It has become a part of our life for some of us, or for all of us. And I think that essentially what we offer is something different. We offer an opportunity for learners that would otherwise not have an opportunity to come to madrasa, to be loved, to be cared for, and to essentially learn to love the Quran because of us, and because of Allah facilitating that for us. And I think because of that, always opening up options. So on that note, please work on your plans for me. Please email me or send it to me on WhatsApp. Please make lots of du'as in this last few days. Ramadan is not over. We make dua that whatever Allah gives us and whatever Allah facilitates for us is good. And Allah gives it to us. But whatever Allah facilitates for us, even though we think of good options and it's bad for us, then take it away from us. And we make dua that we're able to be self-sustainable, and that we're able to provide opportunities for learners that, like, wherever a child